Hello, my name is Eve, and this is a LibGuide on globalization. This guide helps businesses or other organizations understand the economic process of interaction and integration that's associated with social and cultural aspects. This LibGuide has been classified using tabs. The first tab is the home page, which gives you a brief introduction about globalization, as well as my picture to the bottom right of the page. The second tab is on books and on globalization. These are books or resources that you can find in the Missouri University Ellis Library. When you hover on the title of the book, you should be able to get a brief description of what that book is all about. If you click on that title, it will take you directly to the Missouri University Ellis Library, where you'll find more information on that specific title. The third tab is Geographic Directories and Government Information. Here you'll find some sources. One is a government information on globalization. It's an electronic source. Again, if you hover the cursor over that, you should be able to get a brief description of what can be found there. And if you click on that title, it will take you directly to the government page where you'll find more information about that electronic resource. We have another resource which is about an international directory, and then we have two geographic sources, books on globalization as well. The fourth tab talks about dictionaries and encyclopedias. Here you'll find a dictionary on globalization, and you'll also find an encyclopedic dictionary that also gives you more information on globalization. Again, if you hover your cursor or the mouse on the title, you should be able to get a brief description again about the whole book and what it's talking about. The fifth tab is electronic sources that can be found on the Missouri University Ellis Library page. These are databases that speak about different things to do with globalization. So these are databases that have a lot of information, but when you get onto those databases, you should be able to also find information on globalization. When you click on the title of the database, it will take you directly to that database, and you will be able to get more information about globalization. Lastly, the last tab we have is biographical sources. Here we have a couple of books where we learn about some of the people that have featured in globalization history. These are philanthropists, these are influential business people that have a history in globalization. So this is the tab where you can find those biographies and more information about that. Again, if you hover your cursor on the title, you should be able to get a brief description of what each title is talking about. Thank you so much. Have a great day.